Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. You know what, guys? It's not so much what is making this trade great today. This is SWVL, one of the very few stocks that I've seen that's actually out of Dubai. Okay, but look at this move it's had. This is basically a 2-week move. On the December 22nd, this was a 98-cent stock, and our scanners kept picking it up every single day. And now look at this huge move right there. And this is now up even today, 49%. Just an amazing, amazing move. And I actually don't see any news on it today, but I just thought I'd point this out, that this is what our scanners can pick up. These ones that you're never going to hear on CNBC or the business TV stations. You're never going to see this, but I mean that's like a triple, almost like 3.5 times from just 2 weeks, or the beginning of last week. Just an amazing move for SWVL. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday.